Unlocking conversation. Mastering. Let's discuss this. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a simple yet powerful phrase. Let's discuss this. Understanding and using this phrase effectively can open doors to meaningful conversations, whether in a professional setting, classroom, or casual chat. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of these words together. Let's discuss this is a call to action that invites someone to engage in a detailed conversation or debate about a specific topic. Breaking it down. Let's is a contraction of let us, which is a polite way of suggesting an action to be taken collectively. Discuss means to talk about something thoroughly in order to reach a clear understanding or to find a solution. This refers to the subject matter at hand, which can be anything from a project at work, a lesson in class, or any topic of mutual interest. Understanding each component helps us see why this phrase is often used to initiate collaborative problem-solving or to start a dialogue about something important. In professional settings, initiating a meeting. When you want to review a project's progress or brainstorm ideas. Resolving conflicts. Offering a calm way to address and solve disagreements. In academic environments, group projects, encouraging team members to share ideas and solutions. Class discussions, inviting opinions or interpretations on a lecture or reading material. In personal conversations, making decisions together, whether planning an event or discussing future plans. Sharing thoughts and feelings, opening up a space for honest communication. In each scenario, the phrase sets a tone of respect and collaboration, emphasizing the importance of everyone's input. 1. Be open and respectful. Approach the conversation with an open mind and respect for the other person's perspectives. 2. Listen actively. Make sure to listen as much as you speak, validating others' viewpoints. 3. Stay on topic. Keep the discussion focused on the subject to ensure productive outcomes. 4. Seek common ground. Look for areas of agreement that can help in reaching a consensus. Applying these tips can make discussions more engaging, constructive, and enjoyable for all participants. Let's discuss this is more than just a phrase. It's an invitation to connect, understand, and collaborate. Whether you're in a boardroom, classroom, or sitting across from a friend, using this phrase thoughtfully can lead to deeper conversations and stronger relationships. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English communication skills and eager to dive into discussions. Thank you for joining us, and let's keep learning together.